I absolutely love my iTero 5D. We implement our iTero 5D in our office for all of our new patients who come in. Every patient gets a scan, and we absolutely love it because it's our way of showing our patients what are happening in their mouth, and they can actually visualize any decay, any wear patterns. There's so much for them to see, and the patients get engaged with it. They get so excited because they want to know, what does this mean? What does that color mean? And it's just really fun to share with them outside of their mouth instead of being so invasive in their mouth. And then also, obviously, everybody knows that the iTero has a simulation, but for the patient to be able to sit there and see the simulation actually happen in front of their eyes, they've never had an experience like that before in a dental office, and they love it. And even the patients who aren't interested in aligning their teeth, when they see the before and after, they always want to know, well, how long would that take? When our team members in our office started asking about the new iTero 5D, I was really reluctant because we had a lot of that technology in our office. What I found now that I have the iTero 5D is that all patients get a scan, and it's one scan and I can see everything.